Ooh. How burnt are you, Jenna? Take a seat, take a seat. Take a seat right over here. Take a seat right over here. Come, talk to me.
I just kept getting stuck.
Have you heard the Lord
I'm so sorry.
and Savior Jesus
It's
Christ?
not my hottest moment right now.
No, I'm exhausted too, Jen.
I think I'm really beat. I tried so hard and I think I just...
Cool. Alright, so we're just gonna send it down here and then go to the car.
I tried to go...
Oh, ski patrol. Being sick.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ski patrol.
Well,
Alright, ready? Let's do it. Give them hell, Jenna. Give them hell. These last 3 bumps, they're gonna get hell right now, okay?
heart rate, bro.
Give them hell, Jenna.
Look at that kid's board. It's like super tips up. I want one of those. Tips up, up.